morning, project managers. Welcome back to my channel, The Coach. So, if you are preparing for your PMP exam or you are looking for project management concept and best practices, or you are struggling with the project management concept on daily basis, you are at the right place. So, this channel offers a wide range of content on project management. So, do like, share, and subscribe our videos and channel. So today's topic for discussion is agile methodology. So agile methodology is one of the adaptive approach which is the most widely used in today's world. So let's go to the whiteboard directly to understand the concept of agile methodology. So from the previous lecture, it is already clear to you that whenever we get any project, you have to understand the four major things, that is scope, cost, schedule, and also quality. If you understand what work is required, on the basis of that you can fix the cost, schedule, and other quality and resource parameters, right? So whenever you get to know that scope is very fixed, we use predictive life cycle, right? If the scope is very certain and customer knows what he wants or what she wants at the beginning of the project, and if we can fix this at the very start in the planning stage, we use predictive. But if there are any changes or uncertainty, we prefer to do our project in adaptive approach. So in the adaptive approach also, we did that if you want to deliver your product in a speed, okay, if your customer cannot wait for for you to complete the project and then see the product, in that case you can use incremental. So incremental helps you to deliver the product in a speed in multiple increments. If you want to develop the product with continuous feedback and great accuracy, you can use the iterative life cycle. So today we are going to study about the third approach, that is agile approach. So agile approach says that you want to deliver your project with great speed, and along with speed you also want to maintain the accuracy, you can use agile. Now we can conclude that agile approach is an approach which is combination of iterative and incremental. Iterative is an approach where the product developed through continuous feedback of the customer, while the incremental, we develop the product incrementally, we deliver the product in increments. So you can see here, we are developing the product in 3 increments, 1, 2, and 3. So incremental focuses on speed and iterative focuses on accuracy. Hence, agile focuses on accuracy plus speed both. So now let's understand this agile approach with a very simple example. Let's suppose you get a project where you have to make a 3-story building. Okay. When you finalize to do this project in an agile approach, what you can do is first you can target the first floor. You will deliver the building incrementally. So in the first sprint, which is mostly of 2 weeks, you will collect the requirement for the first floor, you will design the first floor, you will develop the first floor, and then you will do the quality testing and you will deliver to the customer the first floor. Customer will see it, and once you show it to the customer, customer is going to give you the feedback, right? If the customer likes by seeing it, it's okay. If customer suggests some changes, then again you have to go back, carry this whole cycle again, requirement, design, develop, test, and finally again come back to the customer. If the customer says again some changes is given by the customer, you can again go back and again do the changes and show it. Once the customer says yes, you will deliver it. Okay, so once the first floor is delivered, the customer is going to use the first floor and update you on the scope of improvement, so that you can, when you are building the second floor, you can again improve your product. So next, in the next sprint, you can take the second floor. So again, you will collect the requirement for the second floor, then you will design, then you will develop, and then you will test it. And finally, you will deliver the second floor. Or you can, if customer wants to give some changes or feedback, you can go back and do it and again finally deliver it. Customer will use this second floor, and you can proceed for building the third floor. So once the third floor, again you will collect the requirement, you will design, you will develop, you will test it, and then finally the whole building is ready. So in agile methodology, you can conclude that we can deliver the product in multiple increments, right? Like here we did 3 increments, and each increment should be valuable. After each increment, whatever product you are giving to the customer, that customer should be able to use that product. Okay, if you don't deliver anything which is not usable, because then customer would not be able to give you the real time feedback, right? So that's one very important thing. And you can see here continuous feedback is taken by the customer after every sprint. So it is just like an iterative life cycle. So that is why we say that agile approach is a combination of iterative and incremental. So let's conclude this video by understanding the definition of agile methodology. So agile methodology is a project management approach that involves breaking project into phases and emphasize continuous collaboration and improvement. So as we already discussed that in agile, we deliver the product in increments. So you can see this diagram, incremental, the product is delivered in increment, continuous feedback after every sprint, continuous improvement on what we work on those improvement. In agile methodology, we welcome changes, whatever is given by the customer, and we do that change. And in agile methodology, we are very much concerned on value. Whatever product you deliver after every sprint, that should be usable. For example, if you want to deliver a car, and if in the first sprint you just deliver a wheel of the car, in the second sprint you just give the engine of the car, in the third sprint you just give the body of the car. So in all the sprints we have delivered the car in multiple increments, but wheels are not usable for the customer, only engine is not usable for the customer, only body of the car is not usable for the customer. So such delivery is not favorable for agile, because agile says that whenever you want to deliver in every sprint you have to deliver the value. So in such cases you can deliver, if you have to deliver a car in multiple sprints, what you can do is in the first sprint you can give the basic version of car so that the customer can use it and give you feedback. In the second sprint, you can again launch the advanced version with few added feature. And third sprint, again, you can launch the next advanced version where more added features are there. So whenever you are doing a project in agile way, always consider value as most important thing. If the value is not attached to the product increments, it is not considered as agile. It will be against agile values, principles, and mindset. So I hope you enjoyed the video.